Hi there. I'd like to talk about service bookings today. Service bookings is everything which is not inventory based in your hotel. Something like pillow service, a late checkout, a transfer, flowers in the room, a minibar refill. Everything that your guests might want to request, but which is not limited by stock or inventory. Offer service bookings for everything you imagine that your guests would like to access or request during their stay. It's a very handy bucket to cover everything which is outside the other booking types like activity bookings, place and gear bookings, table reservations. Service bookings come for free with all Pro apps, being the Web App Pro and of course the Native App Pro as well. The back office shows you all service requests in this view or in the specific service requests view. Here you see all open requests. Of course, like always with Hotel Messenger, not only the guests via the apps can enter service requests, but you can do yourself. Very handy for your concierges to keep track of everything which has been requested and to communicate then with your guests either via the app or in person. If something has been requested, you see that here, for example, your room service, which is also available in a separate F&B booking. In this screen, you can then manage the status, keep track of the progress, see details what has been requested, communicate with the client in terms of mark it as done or reject, or send an individual message based on the service request. Wrapping up, use service requests as a very, very handy tool, including the green options where you enable your guests to deselect the daily room cleaning in order to be environmentally more friendly. Use service requests to cover everything your guests might want to request for during their stay. It's a super handy tool, and once again, it's included in all Pro version apps. Please go ahead, start using it now. If any questions, contact us. We're happy to help.